Quora is a popular question and answer platform where users can share knowledge and connect with others. Here's how you can make money with Quora. Build a strong profile. Create a professional Quora profile by adding relevant details about your expertise or interests. Consistently answer questions related to your niche to gain credibility and attract followers. The more helpful and informative your answers, the more visibility you will get. Promote affiliate products. Use Quora's vast audience to promote affiliate products. Answer questions that are relevant to the product you're promoting and include an affiliate link within your answers. Be transparent about your affiliate relationship, as this helps build trust with your audience. Drive traffic to your blog or website. Write insightful answers and include links to your blog or website for more detailed information. By attracting traffic to your site, you can monetize it through ads, affiliate links, or selling your own products or services. Offer paid services. If you're an expert in a specific field, use Quora to promote your consulting or freelance services. Directly offer your services in relevant answers and link to your portfolio or contact details.